Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're getting into one of the most powerful ways to make your offers irresistible by stacking value so high that your price feels like a total steal. Here's the truth. People don't buy based on how cheap something is. They buy based on how much value they feel they're getting compared to what they're paying. That's why some people will happily spend $500 on a course, but hesitate to spend $50 on something that feels thin. Perceived value is everything. If you want your offer to fly off the shelves without lowering your price, you need to stack your value bigger than your price tag. Here's how you do it. You build an offer where the buyer feels like they're getting way more than they're paying for. Instead of just selling one thing, you layer bonuses, fast action rewards, added templates, swipe files, Q&A calls, private community access, anything that amplifies the main offer without massively increasing your delivery time. You frame the value clearly. You show them, here's what you're getting. Here's why it matters. Here's why it's worth way more than what you're paying today. If your product is a $47 mini course and you include templates, workbooks, and private support bonuses valued at $197 total, suddenly $47 feels like a ridiculous bargain. People feel like they're winning at checkout. It's not about adding fluff. It's about stacking relevant, meaningful extras that genuinely make the transformation easier, faster, or more powerful. When you build value correctly, you never have to convince someone to buy. They're already thinking, I'd be crazy not to. Final tip, stack value, not just features. Every bonus should feel like it moves them closer to the result faster. And when the transformation feels big, the price feels small.